This package right here is environment. English. Hello everyone, it's Maureen. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing the Ringke iPhone 11 Pro Max cases. I'm going to be unboxing it and I'm giving you my thoughts about it. Without further ado, here is the unboxing of the Ringke iPhone 11 Pro Max cases. We have our cover here in the box. Oh, there's a lot of cases in here. Look at that, guys. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 items in here. This is a lot. First one is going to be, oh my god. Wait, Ringke iPhone 11 Pro Max cases are very affordable. I'm looking at their prices on their website right now. The lowest price is $9.99 and the highest price is $14.99. It's not that cheap, but it's not that expensive. It's a good price for everyone. It's right in the middle. Perfect price. First, I'm gonna talk about the package that they're using right here. It is an eco package and it is a environmentally friendly. I am going to start unboxing this. Our first case is going to be, after taking off from the plastic, you will see a paperwork right here that says you will get 20% off Amazon coupon on your next purchase. The instructions of how to install or put your phone on and off. You use the corner of case to peel off protective film. There's an outside film? There is! I found the outside film. There you go. That's the outside film. So I can see that there is scratches already right here. I feel like this sides is rubber-ish. Just saw that there's another film in here that I have to peel. And I don't see the scratch anymore. So we are now gonna try this on our phone. So it is very protective on each corners of the case. It seems like when you drop this, it will definitely protect the phone. A case that is low quality, but it would still protect your phone. I asked Joshua's opinion, what he thinks about this, and he thinks like it's so cool looking and it looks high-tech. I've never seen a case that looks like this. It looks different from other cases, you know? But this has an to it. Yeah, when you look at it, like, ooh, what is that? It gets your attention. And what's good about this case too is it is transparent. Show off your iPhone color. Camera lip right there. Awesome. Higher than the regular cases that I've reviewed or unboxed. That bump right there, it doesn't really bother me at all. And when I'm holding it, it's kind of annoying because I feel the bump because I'm used to holding cases that doesn't have any bumps, but I guess you'll get used to it over time. Okay, I tested too if it's easy to take it off and on your phone. Yes, it is. Let us move on to the next case. So the next case is going to be the Fusion X in Space Blue. Film at the back and there's another film inside the case. So let us take off the film. I love this color. Wow. So let me walk you through. That's the Fusion X right there. It says that this is made in Korea right in here. Top right here, it says It says shock absorption technology right there. It's a Ringke brand. Put our phone in here. The Fusion matte case is made with flexible, clear TPU and semi-transparent frost PC. Their PC material has an anti-fingerprint feature which prevents oily smudges and dirty marks. The case not only has a smooth and soft feeling but also provides texture and protects against frequent drops and minor scratches from daily use. The Fusion X Matte bears its similarity with the Fusion Matte in its anti-fingerprint properties. It'll help repel grime and oiliness while keeping the case looking spotless and fresh. Okay, the next case is going to be, oh my god, I love this color, ruby red. And take the film off. I love the color. But let us see how it looks like on our phone. There you go. It really looks good on the gold iPhone. Fusion X Matte features a rugged border surrounding the case, promoting increased grip control, better durability against accidental drops, and giving it a little edge in style. Fusion X in camo black. This would look good if you have the midnight green. Let's take off the film. With the midnight green, it's gonna be so stunning. Feels matte. So let us put it on our phone. Yeah, it does look good too. I like it. So pretty. It kind of emphasized the gold right there. Easy access with the volume off and volume on, volume up and down. The turning off is of the screen and turning it on. Super soft. This is my second favorite. Well, you know what? This is my first favorite and my second favorite is the ruby red. So the next case is going to be, I guess you saw it already. iPhone 11 Pro Max Fusion X DDP in stripe black. Let's try it on our phone. It must be scratch free right there. I love it. Oh my gosh. It's the Fusion X DDP in stripe black. This is going to be the third to the last. So the next one is going to be the clear case. And again, there's a film inside the case and outside the case, so let's take that off. So the clear case is kind of like a matte feel. They have a shock absorption technology right here. It says made in Korea. I love that there's a cover, and let us try it on our phone. I love the matte feel. It's slippery. So there is a hole right here where you could put a lanyard just in case you have one. They have not included the lanyard in the package, so you have to get or buy your own. But this is really convenient if you're a person that likes to have a lanyard on their phone. Next case is going to be Fusion X Matte for iPhone 11 Pro Max. It is the same with this one, but this one this time is a matte one. Let us take it off from the paper or the plastic. Kind of tricky to get the film off. Ay. It is matte and I like that. So let me put this on our phone. So it's pretty much the same with the first black one that I just showed you, but it is just matte and it is scratch free. The iPhone 11 Pro Max Fusion X in matte black. The next case is a Fusion X matte, also in dark green. So if you have a midnight green phone, this is very nice looking. This film is kind of stubborn, not coming off. There you go. So let's try it on our phone. There's the case. This would look good on your midnight green iPhone 11 Pro Max. There you go. Nice. There's two more packages here that we have to open, and I think the second to the last one is the screen protector that I asked them to send me, and then there is another one that they sent. Dual Easy Film Ringke screen protector for iPhone 11 Pro Max. It's self-dust removal, easy application, and full coverage. There is a instruction right here. We are going to unbox this. Not actually a screen protector. Is this a screen protector? So it is not really a hard screen protector like the glass ones that I have, but this is a really soft one. See, it would be so interesting to install this. So the last but not the least, slot card holder in clear mist. So let's unbox this or take it off from the plastic, and here it is. I've never had a ring card holder before, so this is really new to me. We'll use the clear case. How about that? Right here. And then we can install this. Information regarding the card holder. Superior slim design, securely made with strong and durable PC, allows storage up to 2 cards, and open top slot enables fast and easy access, attaches to any flat surface case or smartphone, versatile for multi-purpose use. Let me try to put this on. This is where you put the cards, I guess, in here. So let me install it, guys, on this clear case. You just have to peel this sticky adhesive. Let's stick it. Oh god. Yeah. Ooh, I love it. This is really super cute. I got my gift card right here and I already used this. I just want to try or test this card holder right here. Let me put this card holder right here, and yeah, look at that. So I love that the card holder has a ring also. Look at that. It's really nice. I love it. With the clear case right here and the clear mist card holder, I love it. It's perfect. It's not that bulky. I probably will use this tomorrow because it's super nice. Going somewhere to go get groceries or something and you're just holding your phone like that, and you know, very hands-free. So I did not ask Ringke to send me the slot card holders for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Love that they included it. I wanted to tell you guys that they have different colors on their website for these kind of card holder. So Ringke is recommending to use this slot card holder to a phone case, not with a bare skin iPhone. So it will not destroy your iPhone skin. This Fusion Matte and Fusion X Matte is invented for people who wants to prevent fingerprints on the back of their iPhone. What makes their cases different from other cases? It is made for anti-fingerprint with its matte backside, and also no hint of fingerprints will be shown on your device. And it's compared to other cases, the Fusion Matte cases are much more eye-catching due to its frosted matte back. Again guys, the link would be down in the description box if you guys want to check it out, and if you're interested you can just click that link. Everything right here is really nice. I love these cases. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day and night, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!